beautiful day for the crypto market as prices are rising fast right now. Guys, Ethereum is back up above $4,600 per coin, ripping higher. Bitcoin testing 117,000 once again. And as you guys can see, this blue line is an all-time high for Ethereum. This is a 5-minute chart. Look what we did in 15 minutes here. 15 minutes from now, Ethereum could be busting an all-time high and starting altcoin season with a bang. Now, of course, we'll talk a little bit about the price action, what's going on with these cryptocurrencies. We got to talk about why it's happening. And for the first time in forever, we've got something good to say about Jerome Powell. He's making prices move up. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and Jerome Powell finally, after a lifetime of living, Jerome Powell finally brings us some good news. Now, we're going to jump into that good news in a second here, but I do want to say this. Take advantage of it. I know that the prices may seem expensive right now. I know we're getting ready to test all-time highs. I know these green lines, you might be saying, dang it, I could have bought it at 4,200 this morning. Why would I pay 4,600 now? Well, dude, you didn't buy it at 4,200. You did. So now we have an opportunity. Do you get it at 46 before it goes to 56? These are decisions that we have to make here. And with that, Ethereum is getting ready to really kick off an altcoin season. It is trying to break this little resistance at about 46.50 points per coin. Yeah, right. Dollars per coin. And when it does, it could be very close to breaking an all-time high and exciting investors and causing yesterday's fear to turn into today's greed. So with that, there's a lot of opportunity left in the market. Jerome Powell is causing gains today. It says Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve, on Friday used a closely watched speech to send his strongest signal yet that the central bank is preparing to soon restart interest rate cuts, highlighting the labor market's vulnerabilities even as inflation accelerates. Powell refrained from explicitly endorsing a reduction in borrowing costs at the Fed's next meeting in September, but his emphasis on the prospect of weakening economic backdrop made clear that a cut is likely next month. He said the balance of risks appears to be shifting. Where does it pick up here? This shifting balance of risks may warrant adjusting our policy stance. He highlighted the recent slowdown in monthly jobs growth, but questioned whether it was a function of a pullback in demand from companies or reduction in the supply of workers resulting from immigration crackdown. He left it the labor market is in a curious kind of balance that warranted some caution. Unusual situations suggest that downside risks to employment are rising, and if those risks materialize, they can do so quickly in the form of sharply higher layoffs. So what they're doing is that right now they're planning. They have not done so yet, right? They've got a couple weeks until the September meeting. They plan on lowering interest rates in September and then reassessing the situation in November and December. They didn't say whether or not they'd be cutting rates in November and December. They simply said that they're going to take a look at economic conditions and make that decision from there. But guys, what this has resulted in, it is a massive increase in confidence, massive buys pouring in, and altcoins ready to begin hitting new highs. So with that, I continue to accumulate. As a matter of fact, I feel very lucky that I was able to buy the dip this morning. I bought it on Solana, not on Ethereum. But I did buy some Solana around $177, almost $178. And of course, it's rising to $195 this morning. So very nice move there. As these altcoins move higher, it is going to inspire buying in meme coins. And with that, I continue to buy alts, I continue to buy memes, and I do continue to buy Bitcoin as well. Now, one of the meme coins that I am buying is Maxi Doge. If you guys have not seen Maxi Doge, you've got a link for it down in the description below. This is a meme coin for the degenerate traders that love fast gains with high potential, high risk, and of course that trader mentality, right? You've got this Maxi Doge here sipping his Red Bulls. He's got his trend in the background. He's got his YOLO entry at all-time high prices. And of course he's got his 1000x leverage always engaged. Of course, this is the Maxi Doge character, right? And it brings in the Pudgy Penguins, the Punk. You've got the Pepe guys out there. And if you are interested in buying, it's very easy to do. You're going to click that link in the description below. You're going to connect your wallet. All you got to do to connect your wallet is scan this QR code. Now, I like to use Best Wallet, but of course you could use whichever wallet you prefer. Type in how much you want, and then those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. You can scroll through their website, see everything that they're doing here, but what they're doing is building a very large community of excited traders surrounding meme coins and what is going to be anticipated as the largest bull market cycle that the cryptocurrency space has ever seen. Now they've got 11,700 followers out on X, a lot of impressions. These guys have 197,000 impressions on this tweet alone from just the beginning or the end of last month. Absolutely incredible how many people have their eyes on this token all at a time. Look at this. Look at this. It's breaking higher. Oh my goodness. $4,725 Ethereum right now. We could be going all-time highs in this video. This is incredible. Ethereum is breaking out as we speak right now. I am beyond excited about this. 47.40. It is ripping higher. All-time highs right here. This is really the moment that we've been waiting for, and it is going to kick off altcoin season like we have never seen before. Guys, if we're able to step up above this level, it is going to cause an influx of buyers. Right now, okay, take a look at this. Retail, how to buy crypto? Nowhere to be found, right? These guys are still sitting on the sidelines. They're going to miss out. There's no other way to put it, okay? These people, they should be more excited than they are. They should be entering the cryptocurrency market as we're about to enter the biggest bull market ever. But they're not, right? And as such, only those of us that are here now are going to be able to experience the significant, the quick, the life-changing gains. Those that are able to push through a bear market get to experience the bull market. The guys that jump in up here, right? The guys that wait till all-time high prices are being capped. The guys that wait to FOMO in. They're unfortunately going to cause the price rise, absolutely, but they don't get to capitalize on it. So make your decisions, and make your decisions now. We are on the brink of one of the most exciting times that cryptocurrency has ever seen. Take advantage of it. Now, I am doing so out on the KSEX exchange. That's what you guys see right here. You've got KSEX, BitUnix, and Kucoin. So if you're an international trader, make sure to check out Kucoin, one of the best trading bots in the entire industry. KSEX has some of the best fees in the entire industry, especially if you live in the United States. And you can trade not only altcoins, they've got the best selection of meme coins that you could ask for. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And thank you to everybody for using that Amazon link. A lot of you guys know, or almost all of you know, that my channel has been demonetized for several months now, so really the only way I'm earning any income is through that Amazon link. Generates a small commission on anything you buy, and I do very much appreciate it. All the support. I appreciate all the support, guys. Let me know what you're buying, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.